तेलंगाना में गुज़िश्ता 10 दिनों के दौरान कोरोना मुतासरीन की तादाद में कमी देखी जा रही है। गवर्नमेंट किंग कोटी अस्पताल को हुकूमत ने कोविड केयर सेंटर बनाया है। अस्पताल के नोडल ऑफिसर डॉक्टर मल्लिकार्जुन ने बताया कि अस्पताल में मरीजों की तादाद में कमी देखी जा रही है और डिस्चार्ज ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं। इन्होंने बताया कि गुज़िश्ता साल के बनिस्बत इस बार तरीक़े इलाज में तब्दीली आई है। गुज़िश्ता साल बुजुर्ग कोरोना से मुतासिर हो रहे थे, इस बार नौजवान कोरोना से मुतासिर हो रहे हैं। नौजवान लंग्स मुतासिर होने के बाद अस्पताल से रुजू हो रहे हैं, इसलिए अमौत ज़्यादा हो रही है।
10 days, the number of positivity rate has really come down. The number of we are generally do around 100 to 150 rapid tests. So previously we used to have 25 positive cases, around 25 to 30. Now we are having only 3 or 5 positive cases. So positive rate has definitely come down. And because of the lockdown which government of Telangana has started, so cases have coming down. The admissions have come down. Even discharges have increased. But as you said, severity of disease depends not on the home isolation, which is mostly depending on the treatment we are giving. So last time we had a cocktail of remdesivir, steroids and low molecular heparin, but because this time the strain is little different, it's a double mutant strain, so the treatment has become little different. Last year the age group was around 50 to 60, so we were treating but this time we are treating the younger generation, and the thing is the younger generation people, their lungs are normally work very well, so the part which gets damaged, the rest of the lung will compensate for it. So initially they don't come in the early stage, generally they are coming in a late stage. This is called as happy hypoxia. So even though the lungs are not working, the rest of the lung works properly. So saturation still remains same, so they come at a later stage. So that is one of the reasons we are not able to tackle this time. But the one thing is patients should come and join early. Many people who are like lower socioeconomic strata people, they are still staying at home and they are coming to the hospitals only at a later stage when the saturation have fallen down around 45 to 50%. So at that time it is very difficult to treat the patient because patient saturation should improve, the lungs should also get normalized. Second thing, younger generation, when they get positive, they should take the doctor's advice and start antiviral and other COVID medications early. As I want to tell you that last 10 days back it's a 350 bed hospital, so we had around 320 to 330 cases, but right now we have only 220 cases. Last 1 week we have seen a fall of around 100 cases. So